We are here today with another cooking video. So today we will be making vegan flapjacks. Here are the ingredients: maple syrup, which is here. We need oats, cranberries, sunflower seeds, raisins, sultanas, apricots and flour. We need flour instead of normal butter because it's better for vegans. I'm going to show you step by step how to make it. So you'll need your butter first, and you need a pan. So you want to get the heat on. And now I'm going to scrape my butter in. I'm going to melt my butter gently, then I'm going to add my oats and the rest of my ingredients. Once the butter is melted, then you want to add some oats. Once you have added your oats in and mixed it up a little bit, now it's time to add some fruit. So I'm going to get all of these first. So we've added all of them, and now I'm going to add some sunflower seeds and some maple syrup. Wow. Now I'm going to mix it all together. I've got a baking tray here. It'll be better to use grease-proof paper, but I've got some tin foil. So you want to put it in. And now we want to put some of it in. Once you have filled it up with all the ingredients, you want to flatten it into the corners. It's okay to do with your hands if your hands are washed. Once you have flattened your vegan flapjack down, you want to get a parent to help you or a carer. So you want to put it on 180 degrees, and we're going to put it in the oven now. We're going to put it in for 18 minutes now. We're going to go play and come back once it's done.